of a bitch.
What'd you do?
Damn it. Okay. I said zoom. Okay.
Oh, fuck.
What? Go sit.
Oh, well, fuck.
It's fine right now.
Is it?
Like a man? Like you sit like a man. you're like.
That's how I sit. It's comfortable.
Bears and trucks and stuff. Bears and trucks and stuff. What the hell is that?
Well, now I'm sitting like this.
And I just
Sugar, spice, and everything nice.
This is definitely a blooper video. I think we're just gonna compile everything together, all the bloopers, and just like.
It's Reyna. I'm back.
Bears and trucks and stuff.
Reyn. Sugar, spice.
Okay, let's see what that looks like. And if we like it sitting down.